Ch8sing Waterfalls. For those of you who don't know what that means we have intentionally got out of our beds at the butt crack of dawn, drove however many hours it took us to get to our location for Black girl healing, Black woman healing, on a mission to change the narrative of outdoors, what it looks like to be a hiker, intentionally forging diversity, intentionally saving ourselves and practicing self-care. Ch8sing Waterfalls, one adventure at a time. Embrace the sights, the sounds, the smells, this community. Embrace it all.